YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with the unboxing of this month's Croptoberfest virtual crop, which we do in the month of October. And this was a mystery box, and so it's supposed to be open, in October, and this is when, so it's October, and so we're doing virtual crops throughout the month. And so I'm going to open up and see what I got. This is no longer available because it was a mystery box and it is sold out. And again, you don't have to use this to participate in it, but this was just something to challenge anybody, excuse me, if they wanted to just, you know, take a mystery box and see what you can create with it. And you have to do it in the virtual crop today, and just so see what it is. So we got the little filler. Alright, so I had to edit this piece back in because I ended up showing the actual code, but I want to show you one of the things that you get. You get a free little gift, like a $10 gift, when you get the mystery box. And I'm just going to put this. But you get, it's the code, so when you spend $30 on your next purchase, whatever, you spend $30, you get to get one of these 5 things, which is the micro scissors for fussy cutting. You can get the straight edge blade to go to the trimmer. You can get this 12-inch ruler that has not only the inches and the centimeters, but also have like the markings for the 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, 16 inch, whatever. Those little markings are there. You get the tape runner or the repositional tape. So you get to choose from one of these 5 when you place an order. And there's only one coupon order, but that comes with every mystery box that gives you a coupon to do something like that. So I just wanted to interject that in there because in the other piece I took out, I had the code and stuff in it. So anyway, back to the video. Okay. Then this is one of the pens, and this pen is a chalking pen. Okay. So I don't have a chalking pen, so that should be nice. So I have that. So this is called Spiced Plum. Oh, some laser borders in here and some embellishments. Oh, and I got a chain. Oh, I got some cardstock and some paper. So yay. Let me see. Let me see. Different color palette. Alright, so this is called Spice Plum, and this is 12 sheets. So this is a 4-pack of paper, and it's double-sided. It's one thing about creative members, they always have made their paper double-sided. Sometimes it's a struggle when you're trying to choose which side you really like. So let's just flip through them real quick, and hopefully you'll be able to see. I know my lighting. Okay, that's a pretty green. See the pattern on that. Nice fall look. The black with a little dot in there. Got a little wood grain. That reminds me of a desk in school. I don't know why. Got your little argyle. Got some more dots. Pretty eggplant. Nice winter, not winter, but fall colors, like football type of stuff, you know. Some leaves. You got your little burnt orange kind of color. Acorns. Nice brown chevron. Got you some sunflowers, or flowers rather. So that's the paper. Then it comes along with, again, this is Spice Plum. So you have 2 orchid cardstock, 2 dark green, 2 ivory cardstock, 2 dark sea green, and 2 dark purple. And of course, I know this is going to match nicely with this paper collection. And these are 80 pounds. It's a nice sturdy paper. And you see those. These are solid core. Sea green and that eggplant. So these will go nicely with these colors over here. So we have all of that. And then to top it off, to make sure that you're able to create, you have an embellishment pack. So let's see. And this one says, you got some leaves over here, a banner. It says hello. Another banner. More leaves. And, you know, your little journaling spots. Happy. Friends. And this is a nice, you know, nice different color palette. Some banners. So it looks like it's 3 of those. Tabs. Journaling spots that says smile. Some more tags and journaling spots. A bunch more of those and acorns. There's usually like 40 pieces. And then after that, you also have here this chain. It says, this one's called Rolling Sunshine Chain. So that helps you create borders. So that's again what they look like. This is 40 die cut pieces in here. And of course, this is exclusive, so this is not being sold separately. This is only in the box. So this is a chain. So it will come off. So it looks like 3. It looks like suns, you know, suns. But I would also say you could almost use them as gears, you know, like for a boy's page. This also could be sunshine. So I can already see that just from looking at that design. And then you have the laser. Borders to decorate your pages. The things I like about them, you know, you can use whichever side works best for you. So this is just some leaves, all different types of leaves. And you can see the acorns on that one. That's really cute. Look at those sunflowers. Gosh, man, the summer went by too quick. Look at the pumpkins. All those different types of gourds. And they have purple on the other side. Again, you can see them different colors. So it just depends on the layouts that you want to use them with. So you get 5 of those. These are the laser cut. And they're thicker than just regular decorative paper. So that is the contents of my mystery box. So I will have to see what I can create. And plus I get my little coupon to get something free. So I will do that as well. So I will get me up to $30 more of stuff to go along with this kit. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I pray you go out and create you some layouts. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.